how to advertise on Pinterest. Hey Pinners, it's Michelle Held from PinTalk.net. I'm going to show you how to advertise on Pinterest or how to promote a pin. This is part of an 8-part series of videos I've been working on, and this will be about promoted pins. You can see the intro video, and then 1 through 5 are already on my YouTube channel and blog posts on the website. And they cover various topics of how to optimize your business strategy and how to pin the best kind of content to get engagement. So we're going to talk about promoting pins. So they're pretty easy to do. Pinterest has made it easier and easier 2 ways. I'm showing it to you from desktop Pinterest, but you can promote from your Pinterest app, which most, if you know Pinterest, about 80 to 85% of users are actually using a mobile app, so always make sure that your pins look good on mobile. So how do you promote a pin, and what about things like targeting and the creatives you can use? So one way to do it is you come to Pinterest, and under Create tab, this is navigation's changed a bit, I can hit Create and I can create an ad. Alternatively, I want to go to my profile. I can also come to my profile and promote any pin that I have saved to Pinterest. So select pins, and you see that anything that I hover over, I could choose to promote. So if you do it from top navigation, they're going to call it Create Ad. If you're selecting a pin that you've chosen, it's going to be Promote. It's a promoted pin. So I already have a payment method in here because I've run ads before. So it just brings up the dialog right away. You want to make sure that your pin looks good, and you can see desktop view, and I can toggle to mobile view. Remember, we want a nice tall pin to sort of take up more room in the news feed or people's home feed. So make sure you have this destination URL all set. Choose a daily budget and how long it's going to run for. Run continuously will let you spend money with no limit, so you probably don't want that checked. I recommend just try running it for about 7 days, at least 5 days, but try 7 to 10 days, and then choose some targeting. You don't necessarily want expanded targeting. I could choose interests, ages, and genders. I would definitely go with all genders until your ad has some experience. This is for a VPN, so I don't really feel a need to pick 21 and over. It's definitely all ages, but if I uncheck automatic interest, I can then go and choose some targeting. So this is about a VPN or a virtual private network, so I could choose tech. It could definitely be about education. I could find people who are interested in computers, and I could keep adding interests. I spelled that wrong. Interests and behaviors. I'm doing a terrible job spelling. So interests and behaviors, I can choose computers, I could electronics, this. I'll choose all of these. So, and I get an estimate over here of what my total budget would be. And it's as simple as that because I've already optimized this pin based on the previous videos and blog posts. So I have this blog post about NordVPN versus IPVanish VPN as a review, and I want to promote it. So daily budget of $3. I choose some simple targeting, and then I can promote my pin, and it's going to go into review. You may notice that from time to time you'll come into your Pinterest account and there'll be offers for you to spend a little money and get some ad credit. I actually have that on my other account, so I'm going to promote this pin from there. But it's really, really easy to promote pins. So once you have a few running, you can actually go into the Business Hub and check out analytics, and you'll see I'm not running any ads, and I haven't run them in about a month. So you'll see information on your ads. You can manage all of them, shut them on and off, and look at the targeting and behaviors and the results of your advertisements here. Select a date range. Date range over here. You can see if a creative was rejected. You can shut your ads on and off as you wish. in case you didn't add scheduling, and then see what's pending. You get some great information about your audiences. I always like to spend a little bit for advertising on social media platforms because you can learn more about who's interested in your pins. So how do you select what to promote? Of course, you probably have an offer or a landing page you want to work with, but always for any Google ads or social media ads, Pinterest promoted pins, you should select the creative that did the best organically. So whatever got the most reach and engagement as an organic pin or organic social media post or a blog post, use that as the creative for your campaigns. And you have to switch it up as things wear on, but that's the way you select what to promote. I hope you found this helpful. Check it out on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You'll get a notification anytime there's a new video up, and there'll be a blog post that goes with this video. And please look at the other videos and blog posts in this series, intro, and then 1 through 5 so far. This will be number 6 up to 8. And I'll be moving onward after that to some other Pinterest for Business features. Carry on, Pinners.